Hello guys, welcome back. It's me, Jenny. How is everyone doing today? My beautiful crafty friends, we are going to be making these really super simple little embellishments that I had made to add to a little goodie bag that I'm going to be gifting away. I love how these turned out. I like that I used these like dry oranges from Michael, and I like the little rose or like the flower in the center. It really turned out super beautiful. I love the little sparkle on it. So simple to make. And on the back of the little tag, you have an actual like real tag. These tags are from Target a few years ago. Still have a few more left, so I wanted to make a nice little embellishment. So let me show you how to make these. So easy, so quick. Now, what it's inside these little baggies are little gifts that I give to my coworkers every year. So let's do the embellishment first, and I will show you what is inside the little baggies. So the bag that I use is these treat bags from Dollar Tree, and I love the colors. I love just the tone of the baggies. It's just very mellow, but it's just really pretty. And what we're going to do is we're going to make the embellishment. So let's put this on the side and let's create the embellishment. You guys know me, I am crazy with cupcake liners. So that's exactly what we're going to use. We're going to use some cupcake liners. I have here two different kinds. This is a regular size cupcake liner and this is a mini size. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make the embellishment, which is very simple. I fold my cupcake liners in half. I squish it in the center, and then I open it up, and then I make a nice little shape. And basically that's all I do with my cupcake liners, okay? I'm gonna do the same thing with the little one. Super easy. And we're going to put these on the sides for now. We're going to work with the lemon, or in this case it's oranges. So I got the oranges from Michael's. They had these really fun dry fruit slices that I am obsessed over. I tried to get some more of these and they actually sold out. There's nowhere to be found. I went to several Michael's and I couldn't find these, but I got a few, so I'm okay. And so I'm going to use the orange slices to create this embellishment. So here I have, well, this is already one that I made. Let's make one together so that you see me making it from the beginning. From the beginning. Okay, take your orange slice, and before we do anything, I added some sparkles to my orange slice. You see those little sparkles there? I kind of added those little sparkles just to give it a little nice touch. So what I did is very simple. I have here this fake snow that I got at the Dollar Tree. And what I did is I very quickly used my hot glue. I added a little bit, a few dabs of hot glue to the corners of the orange, and then I dipped it in here. All right, and I do the same thing on the other end. If you want to use wet glue, you're welcome to. I honestly, I'm very impatient, so what can I say? All right, and that's basically all I did. I just dipped it very quickly, and it just really gives it a nice little pretty, nice look to it. All right, that's done. Okay, so now I am going to add some dimensions on the back of my orange just to give it a nice little lift. All right, and we're going to put this on the side. Let's work with the cupcake liners. We have the regular size cupcake liner and we have the medium size. We're going to glue these together. And then we're going to hot glue our orange slice. All right. I'm going to do this one because this one is already done. So what I did with this one is, all I did was I just added the center, the little flower in the center, and that flower is from Michaels. Let me show you. I got the flowers from Michaels. I got this, I believe, I want to say like 2 years ago, maybe last year. I don't really remember. I have a whole bunch of these left over. And so I took one of these flowers and I hot glue it to the center of the orange. All right. And what we're going to do is we're going to peel the backing off this. And you're going to be very generous with the hot glue because I don't exactly know how well this is going to glue down, because this is kind of like dry fruits, and I don't really know how well it's going to glue down. So I'm going to be extremely generous. I'm going to add a whole bunch in the center, and then I'm going to go around my fruit just to make sure that it does not fall off. And then we're going to very quickly glue it down to the center of the cupcake liner. And you're basically going to get something like this. How pretty is that, right? We're basically done. We're basically done. I'm going to use my beautiful tags that I got at Target, I want to say 2 years ago. I love these tags, and I love what it says in the front. It says joy. It's just really, really pretty, and it kind of really goes with the theme that I'm creating. So I'm going to actually hot glue this embellishment on the back of this tag because I don't want to cover that gorgeousness, right? If I do that, then it's just going to cover that. I don't want that. So I'm going to add it to the back of my tag, and I'm going to add some hot glue. I mean, like a lot of hot glue. And then we're just going to place this right in the center of the tag. And literally, that is all we're going to do with the tag. Now, let's do the inside of the little baggies. So I use this baggie again. I love this baggie, but you can use any bags that you want. You can even do this with a brown paper bag if you don't have. It doesn't really matter. What I like to do is I like to give my coworkers Christmas socks every year. And I love doing that. I think it's so much fun, and I enjoy giving them Christmas socks. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the Christmas socks in this little baggie. Before I do that, I want to make sure that we don't have any little like glitter anywhere because obviously there's glitter everywhere there's desk, right? And I want to like make it nice and neat, right? So all right, I'm going to put the beautiful little socks that I got, and I'm going to put in the little baggie. And that's going to be the little gift for tomorrow. Obviously, I recorded this video, and I most likely already gave them this little present because they do watch my videos. So I don't want to spoil anything. Even though they know that I give them socks every year anyway, but in my mind, it's a surprise, right? In my mind. Okay. So, now that we have our socks in here, I'm going to fold my little baggie. All right. And what I like to do is, since I have so many, I have here, like, I mean, I have a lot. I have 1, I got 2, I got 3, I got 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I got like 9 of these little baggies. So I don't want to get confused with their names. Give me 1 second. Okay. Okay. Sorry, I got a little tickle on my tongue or my throat. Okay, so I have a whole bunch of them. So I wanted to kind of like not get confused. So what I did was I added their initials in the corner of the little baggie with some stickers from Michaels. And I use this sticker pad right here. And these have like the alphas. So I just kind of went by and for each one, I added a little, their names in front of the baggies. Okay. These are so delicate. All right, so I'm gonna put the first letter of their names in a little corner right here. So that's why I don't get confused. Because I have girls and boys, and I have men and women's socks in here. So we don't want to get confused, right? So I just put their first name, and the first letter of their name in a little corner of the little baggie, so I don't get confused, okay? And what I did is I punched 2 little holes right in here. Okay, see that? And I'm gonna use this beautiful twine. I'm gonna start from the back and put one end in, and I'm gonna start from the other side and put the other end in. Just like that. And then we're going to add our embellishment, which is this one right here. Okay. And we're going to make a nice little knot. Cannot go too tight, because if you do it too tight, it might snap off the little tag. And we are done. And my friends, my crafty friends, that is how I am going to gift these awesome Christmas socks to my coworkers. And there you have it. This one wants to be a little bit stubborn. Okay. And that, my friend, is how I am going to be gifting these awesome socks away. I love how these turned out. I love them. I think they turned out so pretty. And I love the unique touch of the orange. I think it came out really, really pretty. And it does have a little bit of a scent to it, so I just think it's beautiful. I think these are just so gorgeous. I love how they kind of like go with each other. Like the colors just really go really well with each other. And I really do enjoy how beautiful they look, right? All right, my loves, that's it. That is all we're going to be doing for today. I hope that this is helpful, and I hope that you got some ideas. I think that these are perfect to use as like little gift tags, or you can even use them as embellishments. These can really be fun to use as a banner, or like maybe like a garland. It's really fun. So just use your imagination and just do whatever calls you to do, okay? I love you all. Have a fantastic weekend, and I will see you on my next video. Be safe. Bye, honey bunnies.